In this video, I'll show you how to add cards to your portfolio in the Collectr's app, and it's a really simple process. All you have to do is go to the search bar at the very bottom, and where it shows the icon with the camera on the top left, you select that, and then you can take pictures of the cards that you have. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a picture of the card that I have here, line it up in the square. It shows this card right here, and it matches what you have. So this is not the card that I have, but you can choose a different card, and in this case it's this one right here. So here you can say that it's $341 for this one card. This is the card that I took a picture of. You can say looks good at the very bottom. You can even add the condition. You can add what variant it is, how much money you paid for it, and also how many you have. So in this case, I just have one. I'm going to go hit one and then hit looks good. Then all you have to do is hit next, and it's going to add it to your portfolio. So that's one way to add it to your portfolio. But say you're trying to scan it and it's not detecting it. Say something like this. Sometimes it doesn't detect the correct card, as you can see. So this one is the Monkey D. Luffy. This is the Christmas version. So you can even search on this side where it says not quite right, search manually. Then you can search for the card name. So you can say Monkey D. Luffy. You can even put in the number of the card, and you can scroll until you find it. So in this case, the card that I have is right here, and it tells me that it is apparently a $352 item, which is kind of crazy. But yeah, so you can set the foil and then just hit looks good. Now you can add it to your collection. Hit next, add it to your portfolio, and then you can see it add to your portfolio. So if you refresh the page, now it's $2,000. Now you can see that it's added here, which is the gift collection 2023. So that's how you add your collection to your portfolio, which is really cool. I didn't even know that this card was worth that much. Anyways, that's how you do it. Very simple. Thank you for watching.